everyone, it's Miss Alyssa again, and I'm back for another story and snack idea. So today's story, it's Hungry Bird by Jeremy Tankard. Now this story is about our very hungry bird friend who is going on a hike with his friends, but he forgets to pack his snack. So he goes to all of his friends looking for a snack, but of course none are good enough for him. It's a really funny story, check it out. And now we're going to show you how to make a cute snack in our bento box. Okay, the first thing we're going to put in our bento box is grass for sheep. You'll notice we're not using real grass because we can't eat grass. So we're going to use some broccoli, which is it's green enough. And then we're going to use carrots for our friend Rabbit. I like carrots, so I'm going to put as many carrots as I can in here. Perfect. And then we have our friend Beaver who brought sticks on the walk. We can't eat sticks either, but I have these cute little pretzel sticks we can use instead. And then our friend Fox brought along some delicious blueberries. And I love blueberries, so I'm gonna fill it up. And these are really good for you, full of antioxidants. And last but not least, our friend Raccoon brought some sandwiches. And I have some pieces of sandwich like cut into squares to fit into our bento box. We'll see how many we can actually get in there. So we have ham and cheese sandwich, but you can choose any kind of sandwich you like, peanut butter and jelly, salami, just cheese. And there we go. Here's our delicious bento box filled with snacks for our next walking adventure.